We're going to start a short conversation about Sparklines. I don't know how valuable this is going to be. Most of you might use it occasionally in business, just for general indicators. Sparklines are little trend line graphs. So I want to create a spark lines for this group of data, and I'm going to go to Insert, and here is Sparklines. Now I can insert line, column, or win-loss. I'm going to choose line. You can play around with this and choose whatever you want. And so now it's identified my B2 to I whatever. Now I can put the results anywhere I want. Now I'm going to click on this little colored box here, and I'm going to select the four cells at the very end of it, J2 to J5, and click OK. And there is the spark lines. Again, general indicators. Is the trend moving up? Is the trend moving down? You can take a look at that and make decisions on good info.